I will talk about how can you enable new chat message notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on options. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just come here to new chat message, click in this sign. Then like you see this sign, it's gone, that's menu chat message, it's enabled with us now here. So in here can you select sounds here. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.